If your kitchen feels crowded, messy, and takes way too much time, this video is about to change that. I found 3 smart kitchen gadgets that can literally cook faster, save space, and make everything way easier. These are seriously game-changing. This thing literally replaces your stove and your blender. This PRASKY blender packs a crazy 2,400 watt motor with a built-in heating system. So instead of cooking on the stove and blending, you just toss everything into the 55-ounce glass jar, and it does both at once. Hot soups, soy milk, creamy sauces all in one go. No extra dishes. You get 6 stainless steel blades spinning at 25,000 RPM easily, crushing ice, frozen fruit, even tough spices. And the best part, one touch, auto clean. Just add water, press a button, and it cleans itself. Super simple. A lot of home cooks love this because the thick glass jar gives it that professional, durable vibe compared to cheap plastic blenders. If you're tired of juggling multiple kitchen tools for hot and cold recipes, this is kind of a no-brainer. Check the link in the description. This tiny cooker turns your table into a full-on Korean barbecue spot, and it barely takes any space. It's a smart dual-zone design. One side is a deep hot pot for soups, noodles, or and the other side is a flat griddle for grilling meat and veggies. You can cook both at the same time. Plus, it has 2 separate power controls, so you can adjust the heat on each side without touching your stove. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. One thing, the power cord is pretty short, around 20 inches, so you'll need to stay close to an outlet or use an extension. If your kitchen is small, but you still want to enjoy indoor BBQ nights, this is honestly a solid pick. Check the link in the description for more details. This thing lets you cook everything at once while sitting at the table. No more missing the conversation. It's a smart AAR setup. The top is a large wave-style griddle, perfect for steaks, veggies, or burgers. And right below, you've got multiple mini pans for sides like eggs, shrimp, or melted cheese. So you can cook your main dish and sides at the same time, all from one plug. It's like your table turns into a mini restaurant. The non-stick surface makes cooking super smooth. Food just slides right off without needing much oil. And there's an adjustable heat knob on the side, so you can control the temperature depending on what you're cooking. Simple, but really flexible. One small downside, the mini pans on the bottom take a bit longer to heat up compared to the top grill. If cooking for a group feels stressful and messy, this makes it way easier and more fun. Check the link in the description to see more. So, yeah. If you're trying to make cooking faster, cleaner, and way less stressful, these 3 are definitely worth a look. All the links are in the description below if you want to check them out.